When it comes to removing unwanted objects from your image, there is two main tools that you can use to do this. I'm going to show you both ways and you decide whichever one you feel like is best for your image. You want to unlock this layer, so if you left click on the lock icon, it will then turn it into a layer. To get to the tool, you can either press J or you can go down to this icon right here, right click on it, and it will be the healing brush tool. The way that this tool works is it will use material and certain textures nearby to replace the current object. So for example, if we first of all change the size of it to something a little bit bigger, you can either go up here and change the size, or you can press the square bracket, the end one, to make it larger. And then what you want to do is you want to hold Alt and then select this area here. You can then copy some of the clouds from over there to remove it from our image. Now this one is great, but it will take some time to learn it and get used to it, because as you can see, it looks like a smudge, and if you don't know how to fix this, it can be a big problem. So the easiest way to do this, if you press Ctrl Alt and Z to undo. So the other way of doing this is a much easier way. You want to go back to the same tool, right click on it, and then go down to the patch tool. The way that this one will work is you pretty much want to select this object by going around it. Once you've done that, you pretty much move this over to the right side, where it's going to copy the other side of this image. And there you go. Now you just press Ctrl and D and it's moved. Let's say you don't want the motorbike there. You can zoom into the image, left click on the background. You can go back to the patch tool, select this person as best as you can, or just do a rough selection, and then just pretty much move this over to this side over here. Try to match things as best as you can. Now all you got to do is go to the healing tool and try your best to fix up these parts by holding Alt and clicking on the closest texture. It's always best to try to go from left or right or bottom and top. Always change it up so it looks more natural and better. As you can see, I'm trying from different angles and different areas to see what's best. We're going to use the polygonal lasso tool. I'm going to select around the wheel by left clicking. You want to go to the bucket tool. You want to copy this color here, create yourself a new layer, paste it on top of that. You can even copy some of the textures from here if you wanted to and add them onto this. Let's combine these two together now. Convert to my object, turn it into a layer. We can always try to keep on using the healing tool and copying the textures nearby, or going back to the patch tool, selecting this area here, and we can always move it over to this side, let's say, and the computer will try its best to fix up this image. Let's go ahead and see if we can fix this bit here as well. Let's move it over to here. It looks okay, definitely better than the shadow. Let's try and fix this area here as well. If you wanted to, you can always go to this tool here, go to sharpen, and then sharpen some of the bits which you are not happy with. You can even go underneath that and go to the burn tool, make it larger, and this will make areas darker. So for example, we can make this bit here darker. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment on what you think.